Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EA TV. Guy Mowbray here, and Sue Smith is here to commentate with me. And it's a game from the Premier League on the way. It's Chelsea versus Manchester City.
Thanks, Guy. Well, I'm really looking forward to this one today. It'll be interesting to see how both teams line up. But what an atmosphere we have here. I absolutely can't wait.
Dewsbury Hall. Fernandez. That's a pretty poor error, to be honest. Didn't have to do that. Kovacic. Now De Bruyne. Manuel Akanji. Yeremy Doku. Haaland. Kevin De Bruyne. Erling Haaland. Nice and easy this, just staying patient. Kovacic. To take the lead. Pedro Neto. And that didn't really take much saving by the keeper. Ruben Dias. Good vision to switch the play. Erling Haaland. Nothing to split the sides, but this move is looking promising. Great chance here. It's there. That changes things. A goal for 1-0.
Well, here we can see it again, and he shows great ability to get past his man. And he shows his strength by holding off the defender, then keeps his composure to finish. He does really well there.
Chelsea get the ball moving again. Can they get themselves together for a quick reply? Oh, a drop in focus and a cheap throw-in conceded. Manuel Akanji. On to Ruben Dias. Guardiol. Mateo Kovacic. Josko Guardiol. Ruben Dias. Mateo Kovacic. Haaland. More good football from them here. A chance to move clear, maybe. Just waiting for the moment to break through. Oh, a great chance. Pedro Neto. And it'll be a throw-in for Manchester City. And on that whistle, the first half comes to an end.
Would the cross secretary please note Mr. Moon is in the building.
The ball rolling again then, with Manchester City just the one goal in front. De Bruyne. This is Kovacic. Doku. On to Mateo Kovacic. City trying to get things moving. Possession given away by Manchester City. And a good tackle results in a throw-in. Fernandez. And the defender left behind. Akanji. Kevin De Bruyne. Bernardo Silva. Erling Haaland. Bernardo Silva. Well read to gain possession. Haaland. And that's a foul and a free kick. A really good interception to take the ball. Joško Gvardiol. Kevin De Bruyne. Jeremy Doku. Can he finish?
Well, just listen to the fans. They're in great voice. That's going to motivate them for one last push to get something from the game. They just need to keep creating chances.
Not long to go, but there could be something happening for them now. And there's the whistle as the ref gives a free kick. Well, no surprise to see him go direct for goal, but a pretty routine save in the end. Well, the whistle will be sounded for full-time shortly. City edging towards victory.
Yeah, they're just about edging it overall. It's been a real tight game, this. Not that many chances for either side. Just got to see how the final few minutes pan out.
Well, there's the final whistle, and it's Manchester City who take the 3 points.
Yeah, both teams give absolutely everything. There was a real intensity to the game, but I think the moments of quality just give them the edge, and they deserve the results.